May gabi sa tanan. For this night, I'm gonna present the Lab 3 Behavioral Design Pattern, and task are combine three design patterns under behavioral design pattern to create a single system. Explain how this design pattern implemented integrated in a system, and also create a UML diagram and explain its process. So, first is I'm gonna going to explain the the code or like the one system that I have created, and this one system have three design pattern. And first is we have the strategy pattern, and the strategy pattern here is defines different payment method for the fish store kasi system that I have created here is a fish store. So like i-inspire ko ni siya sa kuang web-based na ko na uh, which is also a fish store po to, and here also I created also a fish store. Third is allow switching between payment strategy without changing the core system. So the strategy pattern that I have created and I have searched also through any platforms is it allows also sa user na maka-select no payment method without like the payment strategy without the changing the core system. So first here is we have the strategy interface defines the contract of all payments. So we have the again we have this we have the strategy interface. So we have the first interface here that says here that interface payment strategy. So the first interface sa ato ang payment strategy, and sa iyang baba makita nato nga naatay um public void process payment string customer name and double amount, and the process payment here is our a method. So this line is our um this is our method that applies the strategies must implement. So we can notice here that in the cash payment implements payment strategy, it also override the same, which is this is the method, and again the cash payment, and also this method must be implemented to other payment strategies since it handles the payment. And also here it print cash payment confirmation. So after this interface here is the first is we have the concrete strategy cash payment method. So this is like if we conclude it into our daily like sa mga experiences is this is the like cash on delivery. This is the cash or cold cash. So yeah, you have the system print that outline and concatenate cash payment customer name. Again, napapansin ito customer name, and which is also present here, and the amount which is also present here. So uh this is the method, and this is the process of printing the output of the cash payment, and same process also sa ato ang concrete strategy 2. This is the second concrete strategy that we have, and the payment method here is we have a credit card. So sa ito namang class, we have the class credit card payment implements the payment strategy. So sa itong payment strategy is same process, connected na siya sa ito ang strategy interface, connected na siya dere. So makita nyo sa akong cursor. And Since we override, means overriding is we're making it our on our own. No, so override we make our own way. So sa to ang uh, sa to ang concrete strategy. Two, which is the credit card payment method, and same process. We have the this process payment method. We copy it, and since it's credit card, we have a different output here. But same process, we have the customer name and amount, but uh, naglahi lang siya no is in cash kasi there is cash. Then there is via credit card because it's credit card. So next is we have also the digital wallet payment. So I digital wallet payment like Paymaya, GCash, PayPal, diba? So those are the digital wallet payment like also man sa to, diba karon. So and also we have the payment implements the payment strategy and just our the concrete strategy and the digital wallet method payment method. So again we override same process as the first and the second, and also we have the method and via digital wallet. So the second pattern that I have also created is the command pattern. So command pattern encapsulates stores, operations, orders, inventory, updates. So on the second explanation of the command pattern that I have created is it allows undo, redo functionality and operation history tracking. So this interface naman is we have the command interface. So sa to ang first di ba ganin sa tong strategy pattern is you have the payment strategy pattern. I mean payment strategy interface. Wait lang. Sa ato ang command interface naman is we have makes sense now we have also the command interface. So execute the command. So public void execute. So we have this command that execute the command and undo the command reverse the action. So public void undo. So again, it's the redo and undo allows. So we proceed to the command concrete command one. So add fish to inventory. So in this part, like it's self-explanatory and self-understandable naman that we have the add fish command. So at Fish Command, see like me as the one who managed the kind manage the system. So I have the authority to add the fish, and I have also the the authority as well that I can undo and redo since I also add the fish inventory and it also implements the command interface that we have here in the command pattern. And private string fish type and I pick string fish type because I can select whatever kind of fish that I'm gonna add and also a quantity kung sa kadaghan ng stock, and we have also the private int quantity kasi we know naman the reason diba na why it's private because dali lang siya ma-access and dili siya ma-access sa other class. So private int a previous quantity, so previous quantity for undo functionality. So since this part here is implements the command interface, so yeah, it's the package that this one is the add like the execute. So this is the execute command, and since the add fish command also implements the command here in our command from the commands interface. So we have also the undo. So the value, right? But still it's working. So so constructor initialize and add fish command with fish type and quantity. So public fish, a fish command. So we also here extend our class. So add fish command and they can also this is the part also that they can the string like gi-call na to ato ang excuse me string na fish type and also atong int na quantity sa ato ang like a fish type nga madugang na to and also the quantity na ma like makabuot ta kung or like kung if pila ang stock na available. So sige, this na to. So this quantity. Okay, set the fish type. So again, balik na nato na as as the one who managed the web. So I can add a fish. Like I mean, I can select the fish, what kind of fish that we have, and also I can select or like set the quantity to add kung unsa kadaghan and this previous quantity is zero, so inila siya the previous quantity. So karon naman and again, 'di ba, like we have here the public void execute. So karon matuto sa baba kasi si public void execute na command sa atong command interface is i-execute na nato na siya sa baba which is mag-add fish. So makita na to dire na si kuan si gi-override na to kasi we make it our own. So public void execute command. So execute the fish command. So print the execution message. So again, print the execution. So, karon naman is executing added. So, karon gi-add na diri gi-print diri na gi-execute naman siya no kasi we have the execute here. So, karon naman gi-call sa atong concatenate is gi-call na to si int quantity which is we can find it here int quantity and the fish type and they're connected and also the kadaghan man eh and the what kind of fish that we added and also sa atong inventory is kanang what we call that this is the output so whatever lagay nato dire is the fish added and then nato dire ang quantity is nasa pulo or 10 and something like 10 10 9 something 4 and then nato ang fish type nga gi-add is pwede arwana arapaima so any kind of fish and this is the execute no this is the execute kasi this is the command execute command and the second here is we have the undo command so undo the add fish command remove the added fish so mag deletion na siya dire na part so mag deletion na siya dire part like if kung tayo dire siya na part naman is parang fun the best siya if I mean it's not the best but something like the reason why it is here because atong stock sa isda is surot na or sold na. So we have the undo command so we can like the undo like we see in the kundi ba na print the undo message. So we can see it here that undoing or like remove. So wait, so we're removing the fish that has been added. No. So the quantity, ma-remove and also the fish from the inventory. So mawala na tong isda dito kasi we have the two commands here sa ato ang command interface which are the public void execute and also the public void undo. And the syntax here is mag-connected lang sa sila. The reason why it's private is because uh, sila lang maka-access. And then mapansin nato dere naka-public siya kasi i-public na to dere para ma-access sa baba. That's the reason nga nung gi ma-call siya ba nato balik. Unlike the diba dere is wala na. quantity but nagamit siya kasi ato siya ang gi-override. So naghimo ta katong sarili ato. So concrete command to process customer order. So this is the concrete command, no. So we also uh I also added like process ang order kasi yun nga, it makes sense naman, di ba? So if kung mo order ka, so i-process dyan na nako or namo is the one who facilitates or like manage the the web. So we have the class play process order command. So we have another class here, and since our command in the top command interface, we where is it? At fish. Okay. Command. So the we have our new class here, which is the concrete command 2, and this here, the process order command is also implements the command interface that we have sa taas. So again, we have the customer name. We ask also the customer name. So to. Public void, and this is the second uh, command concrete too. So it's connected, and the customer name and the fish type and also the quantity, and that's the sequence. And the customer initialize order command with customer name, fish type, and quantity. So in this part naman is call na nato balik ato ang class, which is the process command order, and kaning atong mga naka-private diri is butang nato siya sa ato ang parameter. To ang string customer name, fish type, and quantity. So again, same sa taas, 'di ba? Mapansin nato na this fish type, set the fish type and set the quantity, which is that quantity. So equals quantity. So same gyapon diri ah. So again, this is the process order command man. So na process na diri ang or like it belongs the customer name kasi we just newly add the customer name. But although daha ang customer name na exist here, string customer name. So yeah, we have here the customer name also, and naka-public sila. Sila naka-private diri. The reason also why the why here is the add fish command is also access the customer name. They both connect. They are both connected, and private, and we yeah we get also the customer name and the fish type, and also lastly the quantity. So here naman is we override, we make it our own. So customer execute the order processing. So we have the command again here. So the command sa to ang interface command that we have, yeah, as I have explained kaniha. Now we have the two commands, which are the command, the undo or the deletion, or like cancel, delete, something. They are both the same. So again, we have the override again. We make our own. So, and the public void execute. So gi-execute na to dere, so si print execution message. So karon gi-execute naman to siya. So print executing the process order. So again, so we have the executing the process order. So sa to pong print outline is executing the process order, executing the process order for, so butang to si customer name and unsa kadaghan ng isda nga gi-order and what kind of fish she or he ordered. And again, if excuse me. So if si user who ordered the fish is not satisfied or like na mali niyang tuplok, so the undo order cancel the order. So there's an undo command kasi yun nga, we have the two commands sa ato ang command interface which the user can undo and redo um his activity, yes, his orders or his or her orders. And since we're undoing, so we have the system canceled order for uh, customer name. They're both same, and that's it. So now let's proceed to the observer pattern and the observer pattern as this is my topic. This is my topic for the uh, behavioral pattern ng kuha ni below. So the observer pattern naman is every actions that we make in our web that notifies us that will know us what we are doing is a kind of observer pattern in behavioral pattern. So the observer pattern naman is notifies all stores. So yes, as I've said, when events occur. So the functions of the observer in this console web base, the console um, project is all about notifications, but here is it notifies if there's a changes in my inventory, if there's a new orders, like if there's a new users who just logged in and ordered his desired fish, is his her dream fish. So it notifies me as the one who managed the code, or as the one who managed the web. So new orders and payment updates. So the part there is like if nakabayad na ba si user or the user who ordered through um credit card, um like ito mga online payment method and or cold cash. So again, you have also as you have the ano diba, we have the payment strategy method, I mean the strategy interface, and you have also the command interface here as a highlight na ko. And also here we have as the observer, we also have the observer interface. So cancel when subject state changes. So we have the method here sa itong update method sa and we have the two um two elements in our parameter which are ano sa man eh? Wait, ano sa man ka? So we have the two elements in our um parameter of our uh update method. So we have the subject state changes. So we have the string event and data. And we had a concrete observer one inventory system that monitors stock changes. So in this part naman is system name. Okay, the private okay, observer it the inventory system implements the observer interface that we have sa taas, and this is our system name, the private string. This is the system name and concrete initialize inventory system with name. So again, since it's public, so we can access here and string and itong sa private string system name is ato siyang gibutang sa itong perimeter which is will execute the this name system. So In this part, it will set the system name. And karon naman, it um, override, make it our own. So receive the handle notifications from subject. So public void again, update. We have the update method. Kasi yun nga, we have the observer. This the responsible of the updates notification. So you have the string event and string data. So yeah, we have this kasi we call this, and since it's public, so we can access it anywhere. So inside the code, and yeah, you have the event and string event and string data. So and also we have the okay, print notification. Okay, the explanation here in the system print outline is the print notification received by inventory systems. Now the print notification received by inventory systems. So it notifies the received notification. So we have the system name. We call it here from the inventory system class, and we also set the name and the event from here from our the public void update string. They are connected. It handles the event. It notifies the events and also the data, and nato sa tong string data as well. Okay, we're done. Another receive handle notification from subject. So the part here is um I think like the one gets the notification, receive a handle notification from subject kasi the subject here is the one who use, and I'm gonna one who receive and handle notification from the subject. And we have the since we are done on the concrete observer one, so we're gonna proceed to the concrete observer two, which is the customer notification system. So again, that was my from the inventory stock changes. So kung unsay mahitabo sa stock changes, it notifies me sa mga changes kung nabay nakuhaan and nabay nadugangan. So in the concrete observer 2 naman, we now manage the notification system of the customer, the user, diba? So class customer, like yeah, again, we make we made our another class that is specialized for the customer, and I name it as a customer notification, and it also implements the observer, same other as the other commands that's the same as the other interface that are present in this one system. So again, we have the system name. We call it we call it again system name. And the const okay, the comment says here that constructor initialize customer notification with name. So in this part, so string name, we call it again sa ato ang class, and we public it and a private this that system name. So it sets the name, and now since it's the customer who's gonna be notified on the system, so it receives the handle. So this second here is we override it. So override the handle notification from subject. So override public void. So we call this one again. I know I'm wrong. So the public void update. So since it's the observer, so it specially handles the update. So we call this method again, the update method that we have that is also present here in our interface. And mukha ano eh. Naman eh. Okay, let's back to the business. So again, we have the update method here, since it's the user that who will gonna be notified to the changes of the system and the his or her transaction to the system. So he have also this method, the event and the data, and the print notification by customer notification system. And again, you have the system name. Again, you have here and the event that is present to our update method in the observer interface, and same as sa data. And karon naman is the most detailed mangod dari ana part is complex ha, since our observer handles three. So we have the inventory changes, orders. This one is for the customers, and syempre sa atong payment method. So the part here that took me a lot of time to figure out or like ask to online something is this observer, since is the wide scope that notifies me as the admin and notifies the customer and notifies the payment method handles too. So again, let's go down and let's proceed to the, or is it okay, we have the accounting system that tracks financial transaction. So in this pattern naman good is this observer tree is this part. It notifies me and it notifies the user how he pay, his shoes, and also how will I get the notification from his or her payment. So we have the accounting system. This is the observer that dedicates for the payment method, for the payment of the customer. And same process, it implements again the observer interface that we have in the observer interface. So private string system name, so we get it again because it always requires a name. And construct initialize accounting system with name. We get also the this system name sets the name, same as sa ato mga na-discuss kaniha. And receive and handle notification from the subject. So we make it our own. So we override it again. And we call it again from the command interface, this update method for the event string event, and kanang string data. So notifications received by accounting system. No, ma-receive na ko nga successfully paid, the notification received, successfully paid na ang payment nga gibuhat sa customer nga nag-order. So let's proceed to the subject class. Maintain list of the observers and notifies them of changes. So I made another class here, that class subject. Okay, so ito ang class subject is list to store registered observers. So nakapansin nato diri is observers sa ato ang sa ato ang interface. It's connected sa observer. Connected na sa ato ang interface sa taas. Ama to. Ay, work command. Yeah, observer. That's connected and naka-array list na dire, and para ma-store sa array list ang orders, register on server to receive notification. So add observer to list. So observers, that observer, we have the observer here, and from the list, and since also here is the register an observer to receive notification, and it also uses the array list. So the observer, wait, Si observer pod is ma-store siya diri sa ato ang observer and ma-add siya as the new observer and the add observer to list. Same as here. So unregistered an observer from receiving notification. Okay? Unregister an observer from notification. So we have also here the detach kasi unregister an observer from receiving notification. So we have the void attach method here, and we have also the detach. If here, if this one is adds the user sa atong observer list, kasi nga pag ang observer, okay, para mas masabtan na to, ang kaning observer na word is this is the one that who will get the notification. So observer, i-add siya sa list. Kasi those observer is equivalent to user man na. Equivalent na sa tuwa. So those the observers who are in the list will gonna get the notification if about their transaction or about the changes of the system. So those names that are listed, those observers that are listed in the database are will gonna get the notification from the producer. So unregistered an observer from receiving notifications. So this are the users that, or these are the observers that not registered. So in this part, they will, instead of they will attach, they will observers remove or observer and remove observer from the list. So matanggal sila, di ba? Kaya detach na good. So karon naman we have the for loop here. So we have the notify all of registered observer of an event. So since we have the add observers, so it means these are the observers that are in the list. So sa to namang loop method is we have the all registered for of an event. So kanang notifies observer string event and string data. So we have the notify the observer. So loop, the reason why ma-loop ni siya is isa-isahon magud to og something like, if correct me if I'm wrong, nabasa na ko to kay Refactoring Guru na, I mean, let's try to visit the Refactoring Guru. Okay, the pros and cons of using an observer. Okay. Okay ha, di ba? Mapansin na, okay, makita na to dire na si subscriber sa under ni siya sa cons of the observer that subscribers are not notified in random orders. So in short, whoever is in the first list of the observer, which is kung kinsa man na siya, so she or he is the one that will have the notification. So no, subscribers are not notified in random orders. So in order jud sa. So if kung i-relate nato ni siya sa data structure and algorithm, si observer is na siya no, so tawagin, are not notified in random orders. So in order jud ni siya, wa siya na in random. So kung if i-relate nato ni siya sa data structure and algorithm, na siya something like uh uh FIFO, or we call that first in, first out. Kung sa to nauna, man si nauna. So, diba? If imagine na to, kung kinsa to ang first naka-subscribe ana nga producer or like artist sa YouTube or sa Spotify, siya to yung pinakauna maka-receive sa notification. So the reason why naka-loop ni diri para ma-handle to siya ng mga list sa mga observer aning ato ang web no na mag isa-isahon hangtod mahurot until mo null na until mo zero na execution sa loop. So that's the reason uh, na that's the that's the way na maundang na ang paghatag sa notification sa atong mga observer. So again, explain sa comment na rin na call update on each observer. So we have here the integrated system. So sa the fish store manager combines all the three behavioral patterns. So the extend subject sa itong observer pattern strategy and uses the payment sa itong strategy sa itong command is katong sa undo and redo. And the most complex here is the observer pattern since it handles the stack, use what's a user, and also sa payment. So also here, class fish store. So extends also sa ato ang subject and current payment strategy behind use strategy pattern. So we can see the subject is present here sa ato ang other class. So, naman to? Yan. So, current payment strategy being used sa ato ang under sa ato ang strategy pattern na nasa taas. And the private payment strategy and and sa ato ang payment strategy. So, the stack to store command history for undo and functionality since it included it's mixed na sila drin, no? Combines all the three behavioral patterns. So, it also here they manage just the command pattern sa ato ang undo and this is also the command history that belongs to the command pattern that we have on the second interface. And constructor initialize the fish store manager. So fish store manager and initialize we have the public fish store manager. So could find it. Okay. Okay. Sa agra ko. Okay, initialize empty command in the history stack. So this command, so sa itong command history, which is connected sa ito ang command pattern sa itong command interface and also naka Java utility stack para ato ang stack history is ma-review and kung sa ang mga transactions nga nabuhat, kung sa itong mga na-cancelled and sa itong mga successfully ordered mga item, mga isda. So this payment, so cash payment, so it also here handle the payment kuan strategy sa cash kasi 'di ba we have the three options sa itong strategy and the strategy pattern handles the payment method. So again we have the credit card, uh, katong like mga online wallet and cold cash. So we have the cash payment. So change the payment strategy pattern. So public void set payment strategy. So we have the payment strategy here. And since we change the payment strategy pattern, so atong dagdagan og word nga set kasi we're modifying it. So payment strategy sa ato ang parameter. So set new payment strategy. So in this part, like I Murag kani maning kanang murag kanang if walahi ang ilahi sa user ang payment strategy ba. Again, we have the three option nga na sulti na ko ganiha. So the user can select what kind of payment she wants. So notify the server. So again, this is the integrated part sa tong code na again, ma-notify ko nga ay naglahi na day si user og payment di na day cash. So this one will notify observers. No, notify observers is the one who uses the code. So notifies observers about the payment strategy change. So observer pattern. So connected ni siya sa to observer uh, interface kasi integrated na siya dilapit. So progress dito sa baba. So execute a command and store it in a history. So since execute, okay, we have the clue word here that execute. So it really common sense na lang na it belongs to the command interface and the command pattern that we have in this system. So execute the command, so command, execute, so execute the command. So having action rin na i-execute. So the push command to history stack for potential undo. So i-push niya and notifies observers event executed command to get class. So ma-simplify simple name. So in this part naman is you have the undo the last executed command pattern. So um the execute the last command so okay, happen. So okay, so command history it also belongs to the top kuan. And three, we have the conditional. So if conditional is not in the command history and it's empty, so it will pop with the pop term is murag ma-delete good and the command because command history is mo pop siya mawala to siya na kuan kasi na data and then command and the notifies all observer about the undo action so observer pattern. So si observer pattern naman so ma-notify siya about sa kuan sa katong keep up na sa atong command history sa atong delete. So command undone so get class get simplify so else if so if else man so print message if no command to undo so system.print if wala sa na-meet ang mga conditions dire so else mo diri na mo gawa si else nga ang mahitabo na lang is walay no ko na undo na command under sa command history and also sa connected sa ato ang observer kasi it notifies man sa it notify the observer so this is the integrated the command pattern and the observer pattern both executed their task. So last is we have the payment process that current strategy pattern. So public void. So we have the process payment and the customer name and also the amount. So execute the payment method using current strategy. So again, payment strategy. We see this strategy kasi ngayon nga, execute the payment using current strategy. So again, we execute the payment strategy from our payment strategy here in our interface. And now we are here in the bottom and okay, execute the payment using current strategy. So we have the payment, we have the current um payment strategy, which is the process payment. So it also includes in the under the strategy pattern, under the process payment method, so we have the parameters inside of its parameters have customer name and amount. So it's always includes the name and amount. So the payment strategy and that payment strategy we have the customer name and the customer amount. So here naman since I have said that it's integrated, so it's the combination of the payment strategy on the observer, the payment pattern, the strategy pattern, and the uh, what we call that, the observer pattern. So we have the payment process. So it notifies. So notifies all observer. It notifies. It means will notify all the users nga about sa payment process. So we have the dollar sign and the customer name, the payment process. Since I have explained too long, so we're here now in the our kuan main method, not sa to ang main class. So taas-taas po to. So sa in our payment class in our payment class is we have the okay, demonstrate how all three patterns work together in a fish store system. So karon naman, karon it prints, okay mo na itong first makita niya sa ato ang outline. So header to siya and the okay creates the fish store manager combines all patterns sa since this system is integrated by three um, patterns which are the strategy, observer, and command and create observer different monitoring store. So kaning kuan, kaning inventory system, customer notification, and accounting, mo na itong mga class kaniya sa taas, di ba? Na-explain ako na. I-call na ta diri sa to ang main para mo print sila o para mo create sila kuan kaning monitoring the store which is has their this outline na customer notification, accounting. So first is diri pa ta sa ato ang register the observer and inventory will receive the notification kung may mga changes. So ako na nag-manage sa web, sa system is I will get the notification of from the inventory of sa stock changes and also si customer notification will receive notification and lastly the accounting will receive notifications. So karon naman is dito na ta sa tong command pattern di ba na we have the execute to mag-add and we have the add to. So karon naman the command goldfish create, di ba? Create the what to comment? To add fish. So command add goldfish equals new add fish command. So ang fish type, di ba? Sa ato ang command is naman to'y duha. Tong fish type, tong this fish type and this quantity. So ayan, we have fish type, we have the goldfish, but we can change it. So dito butangan diha o um to flower horn. Ito na to diha o duha lang siguro. Uy, what happened? Wala lang. So yeah, it's the outline no. So it's the output. So yan, add fish, add the quantity, and beta add beta. So we can add this no kung pilay gusto ko na to. So execute the command. So after we make the command here that sets the fish type and the fish quantity. So at the bottom, so we can also since the command has the execute, diba? So now we're executing the command sa mag-add sa goldfish at sa beta. So karon naman it demonstrate the command pattern processing customer order and command create the order from um mm, wait ni ay ang pangalan na. So karon naman is it create command to process the order for, so these are the individuals or this is the observers who ordered sa ato ang system, and their name is Christian Dior. So Christian Dior ordered flower horn, and in here naman good is the this is the I think this is the available quantity, and this one is since it's the process customer orders, so this is the quantity of the customer, the quantity of the fish ordered by the customer. So the customer ordered five fish, five flower horn, and si Taylor Shish is also ordered betta fish, and she ordered two betta fish. And in here it execute the command stored in history, so observer notified. So stored in history. So okay, this is the history of the observer, which is the user, or yan nga, user and observer are the same. So notified, so notified si Christian Dior about his order, and also so order two, which is from Taylor. Again, okay, see we have the order one, so execute from the command pattern and also from the observer pattern. And we have the command one from Christian Dior and the command two from Taylor Shish. So si Christian Dior will get the notification about his order, and also si Taylor Shish will get also her notification from her or from her order. So kano naman it demonstrates strategy pattern payment processing with cash. So if you have the John Doe here, your yeah, these are the individuals that who ordered. So the amount of fish by the order of Christian Dior is 25 point. So they demonstrate also demonstrate sa process sa payment. So the customer here select the cash, and from and his order is this one. So we have the process payment, and also here from Taylor Shish. But in no way na magkuan kanang si Taylor Shish is she, she changed her order payment, or I mean her payment method. So karon naman switch the credit and card payment strategy sa observer notified. So again, based on comment is switch to credit card payment strategy sa observers notified. So si observer there is si Taylor Shish. So ma-notified siya sa iyahang pag-change or like iyang pag-switch to credit card, or takabalo asa siya nagikan. So credit card ba siya gikan, online bar. So siya choices. So store process payment using credit card strategy. So karon naman so sa Taylor Shish, this is the process payment using credit card. So ka Taylor Shish. So ako naman here is demonstrate the changing digital payment. So si Bob Wilson ni mga tang gibutang diri si Bob Wilson. ba, na, diba? So, karon naman, this is demonstrate the pattern for another connect, no? This is the one also that nga nang nag-execute gud sa change. Same also kang Taylor Shish, no? Changing the credit, nag-change siya ito credit card while si Bubbles on Babolat Head is nag-change siya into digital wallet payment kasi I don't know, comfortable siya sa in a way and store the no digital payment and process of digital strategies of store customer name sa ato ang customer pod nga nag-change. And last is undoing. So this is the command also belong again, di ba sa command is na undo, execute and undo. So this is where the part that the execution of the undo of the command pattern is executed. So undoing the last command. So the observer the undo the command from history. So command observers and demonstrate the command pattern. Undo again. So undo the command from history observers. So final summary fish store operation complete. So karon, this is the most exciting part kasi we're gonna see the output sa karon. Karon na to. So makita na to karon nga this is the output. Ay, di ba? Successfully executed at fish. No, notifies here. But the error part here is we see that in our undoing the last command is nag-error. So same sa activity lab 2, we just need to use the get bash. So sa atong get bash karon is magkomanta og java integ dot java command na to na and then java integ. Tada! Karon, ang makita to diri sa ato ang add fish nga executing 10 flower horn inventory. So add fish executed received notification si customer naka-receive sa notification about the newly added fish, accounting, si executing three betas, now process customer orders and also inventory. Yun si Christian Dior about na his order of ordered flower horns kasi kataganiha and the payment method. So dari si kuan si Christian Dior is ordered the paid the total order of his purchase of fish of $25 cash. And also si Taylor Shish change her payment method to credit card payment. So digital wallet. Also si batong si Bob Wilson. But doing the last no, doing the last command is canceled. Okay, Taylor Shish, cancel niya Taylor Shish yung doka order. And this is the summary. And cancel the Christian Dior and inventory system notification. So the wide scope here so far is the observer since it handles all the notification that the customer make unsay gibuhat ni customer sa system sa it handles the notifications. So the wide scope here is the observer. So again, as we seen in the last output, so the fish store operation completed. So accounting system notification, command and done. So these are the result. So now let's proceed to the what we call that our um, UML. So let's try to find that. Okay. So, tong UML naman is, yan. Uy, hanap man. But, yun na lang natin access. Okay. This is our, kuan, atong UML. So, again, the list of servers sa atong subject and attached. Itong diba, na-expect ko ganito, attach, detach, connected na siya. And the fish store manager and the payment sa to ang payment strategy method na to sa to command history, stack command, set payment, and also connected na siya sa tong interface na execute katong sa tong command and sa tong add fish katong sa command also, so process ordered, and also sa na credit card, di ba? Mato sa to ang strategy na si user can select the cash, credit card, or digital wallet. So this the uses here naman execute and stores. So this naman is the observer. So makita ko na si system name is naka-private and naka-public ang update with data. And yan, di ba? Makita na to. So i-attach lang nako ang link ani para kung kinsa maka-view, mas makita nila ang clear version sa tong UML. And that's all. And I thank you. It's almost 1 hour.